Welcome to JH. Today, I will show you how to construct an organizational chart using Canva. This process is straightforward and efficient, making it perfect for professionals who need to visualize their team hierarchy. If you have struggled with depicting your company structure before, Canva's user-friendly interface makes it very easy. Begin by opening Canva in your web browser. If you don't have an account, sign up to access many free templates and editing features. Once you are logged in, you will be on the home page. In the search bar at the top, type Organizational Chart. This will bring up many templates specifically for this purpose, saving you the effort of starting from scratch. Take a moment to look through the available designs. Canva provides various styles, so choose one that fits your organization's specific tone and personality. Whether your field is traditional or creative, there is a template for you. Once you find a design you like, click it to open the preview. Select the Customize this template button to open the editing workspace. This area is very intuitive for both new and experienced users. Start by updating the names and positions. Click on the text boxes to enter your team members' names and their roles. This step is vital for a clear understanding of your structure. After the text is updated, focus on the images. You can add photos or graphics to each section. To change a picture, click it and select Replace from the toolbar. Then upload your photo or choose one from the library. Once the chart is customized, review your work to ensure all names, roles, and images are accurate. When you are satisfied, you can download the chart in several formats or share it directly through Canva for your next meeting. Now you have a professional organizational chart ready to go. Feel free to explore more features to enhance your designs further. Thanks for watching and happy designing.